Guys know how much I love luxury, especially hotel rooms, suites. Hi guys and welcome back to another video of Dil Ki Baat Tani ke Saath. My name is Tanishka and today I'm at the Marriott Suites in Pune. You guys know how much I love luxury, especially hotel rooms, suites. It's my favorite part about travel and I love dissecting each room and I always give it marks. So as usual हमने इस बार भी वही किया है. So quickly go check out the room tour that I've given you and my rating on this property. So watch it and then we'll chat again. Here starts the room tour to the Marriott Suites at Pune. This is the entrance. It's basically like an apartment like thing. So right at the entrance there is this kind of compartment made with a nice plant. That's me. Hello. And let me take you around. So there is this beautiful living room, nice TV. Pata nahi kya chal raha, ignore. Again, there's a TV rack made down, a small study table kind of a thing. So anybody who wants to work or just, maybe read a book. It's a nice place. This entire living room. Then there's an open kitchen. It's complete with all amenities, and in fact when you're done eating and anything, like once you're done using the utensils, you can even call the housekeeping to clean it up for you. So they have a fridge, they have a microwave, an oven. Okay, fridge, okay, yeah, microwave, fridge, oven. Then they have compartments that are filled, glasses. So basically all compartments are filled. I don't want to open all of them because it's a tad bit difficult for me to handle the camera and this, but I'll try to show you whatever possible. So we have some utensils. Yahan pe we have plates. Half of them we've already used, so wahan pe hain, cleaned by the housekeeping, like I said. Again, cutlery, tea, coffee at your disposal with an electric kettle, water, complimentary mugs. So basically all the compartments are filled with everything and anything that you may need. More cutlery, they're just filled with complete cutlery sets. Okay, this is an empty cabinet. Then there's this dining room that's attached to the living room. It's really cozy. That's what I love about this apartment. And also if you can see, the ceilings are really high. I think that's a very big plus point. But the highlight of this living room come dining room come kitchen is this balcony. I think I am totally sold out. You can see my hairband and my mug kept out. मैं वहीं पे सारा time बैठी थी. So yeah, it's a beautiful balcony to just chill in. And like I said, Pune में weather is amazing. So it's definitely not something one would like to miss. See, this is the balcony. Just have some chai. That's what I was doing. And the view. Oh my god, this gorgeous view. And especially this barish ki thandi halki thand that's coming. It's beautiful, right? It's beautiful. Now let's go to the bedrooms. Yes, it's a 2-bedroom apartment. It's actually a suite like thing, but it's like a 2-bedroom apartment. So let's go. This is the first bedroom. It's not very huge, but it's quite cozy for so me and my sister would be staying here. Then there are the cupboards. There's one cupboard. This is just basically has a lot of racks and some laundry bags. And the other side is basically for keeping your, let me open it. Yes, the other side is keeping your luggage. Please ignore the mess. Small side table, again ignore the mess. Ye mera room hai na, mess to hoga hi. TV again, all rooms have TVs. Another TV rack, curtain, and a balcony. I think the best part about this suite is that all rooms have balconies. All rooms have balconies. The bedrooms ka balconies are attached and all of them have the same view. So that's the best thing, at least for the one we got. I love the view. So this is my parents ka balcony. I'm showing it to you now. That's the room. We'll go, but pehle balcony dekh lo. So this is the balcony. They have a coffee table. It's attached, so basically you can move it here and there, but it's from that side. And now the final master bedroom and second bathroom. Okay, let's go. So right outside this room, so this room doesn't have an attached bathroom. Right outside the room, although someone's in the washroom. So let's go ahead. This is the master bedroom. It's beautiful, isn't it? Again, the balcony which I just showed you. Master bedroom. They have a walk-in closet. Yes, abhi to khali hai because we're only here for a day. So we haven't really unpacked. But they have all amenities, right? From bathrobes to ironing boards to everything. And that's me again. Yes, again, a safe. Very, very important, I think. Some extra compartments. And this is the master bedroom ka washroom. It's an attached washroom. I love these lights. Normal toilet. They have a shower. And they have a bathtub. Although the one thing I'm not very, very happy about is that the bathtub, if you can see, doesn't have any sort of handles, like, those silver handles that they keep for support, which is something that I personally do not encourage because I feel that it's a little unsafe to use bathtubs like that. And also one other thing that I did not like so much is some of the bathroom handles are slightly rusty. They're clean, but they're old and rusty, so that could have been changed. Also, see, if you see this, by the way, in the room, each room has a laundry basket. I forgot to show that. And this cloth rack. And let me see if I can show you the other bathroom, because somebody has just gone and basofied now. Okay. No one's there. That's what my mom said. This is the bathroom. This doesn't have an attached bathtub or anything. It's just a basic shower, washroom, this. And this place has got a washing machine which is currently being used. So, yeah. So that was the entire room tour, suite tour. All in all, I would give it a 8.5 out of 10. I think it's amazing, especially for anybody who wants to come long term. Hum to ek hi din aaye and I really like the place, especially the balcony and the view. So is a complete sold out for me. I don't know, I must have said this before, but I'm a sucker for good balconies. So yeah, 8.5 out of 10. And that 1.5 is only cut for, like I said, that bathtub mein handles nahi hai because that's safety issue. And the slightly rusty knobs, I think they can do better on that. But otherwise, this place is a complete 8.5. You can get the housekeeping to do all the cleaning. You don't have to do anything at all. And it's like you're living at home, but a very nice, lavish, well-done home where you don't have to do anything. No maids ka kitch, nothing. So yeah, overall 8.5 out of 10. Definitely recommended. And I think there's one in Bombay also. It's called Lakeside Chalet. But I think this one is better. I've stayed there as well. I've not vlogged that, sorry. But this one is definitely better. And yeah, let me know in the comment section below if any of you have been here, you've liked it or not liked it. So do tell me. So yeah, that was my room tour. आप लोगों ने देख लिया. You know how much I've ranked it. If you don't yet, it's an 8.5. I loved the property. I think there are certain special mentions that I have to add that was not a part of that video. One, and most important, the staff over here. Minutes, आवाज जाने दो. तब तक के लिए, you know what, I'll actually go inside and shoot this part because आप लोगों को कुछ नहीं सुनाई देगा. Okay, I'm in my room now because बहुत disturbance हुआ था, so I thought I'll come and say it here. So yes, as I was talking about the staff members in this place, they were extremely polite, extremely courteous, a typical Marriott trait, to be honest. Like whenever I've stayed in any Marriott property, be it in India, outside India, they've always been kind. But I think this hotel just raised the bar even more. They were extremely polite, extremely professional, and always on the go. So plus for that. Second plus is, I think, the amenities they have in this place. So I'll explain you what this place is, okay? It's called Marriott Suites, but it's very typical to like a service apartment, but just with higher amenities. So service apartments, although they have everything, at times, you have to purchase certain things. Like certain places have it, you have to just do your own thing in a certain way. Basically, you have to live like it's an apartment. Here it is an apartment, but you have the entire facility of a hotel. So you have complete housekeeping, you have all amenities available in your room or in your suite itself, be it laundry ke detergents, everything. So it's like you have the best of both worlds, best of an apartment and best of a hotel combined in one. Also, I just came to know today that there are only 2 exclusive such properties in Asia. One is in Pune and one is in Singapore. So I'm very glad I got to stay here. And yeah, I think I definitely will come back. I definitely recommend it. The breakfast was also really good. Again, staff was extremely polite, and in spite of them being extremely busy, I think there's a wedding. कुछ ज़्यादा ही शादियाँ नहीं कर रहे लोग आजकल. Nonetheless, so there's a wedding in the property, and I came to know by the manager that, since it's been raining, they even had to do a last minute shift. So they've basically been very, very busy. But in spite of that, I do not think that I have faced any issue with any staff member in the sense that they've not been on time or they've not been approachable. They've always had a smile. They've worked amazing. Breakfast buffet का सबसे best point बोलूँगी एक. I unfortunately couldn't capture it on camera because I was not having the best morning. In general, I'm not a morning person, but I'll just say it on camera. The best part about their breakfast buffet is they had customized chai. They had a chai stall, a live counter of chai. I mean, who does that? Any chai lover out here? I mean, wow. So yeah, definitely a good recommended place for me. Like I said, I've given it an 8.5 out of 10. I'm not changing my rating on that. I'm gonna stick to it. It's an 8.5 out of 10. I'm gonna come back here. If you are looking for a long stay, or even just like a week also for that matter, I think it's the perfect place for you. They've got 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK suites, and it's really, 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 I would say, worth it, because like I said, you're getting the best of an apartment and a hotel combined in one. So yeah, you're getting luxury and economy mixed. So best place. I really liked it. Unfortunately, this is the end of my trip. Now I have to go back to reality. नहीं अच्छा लगा मुझे बिल्कुल भी सोच के that I have to. I mean, I'm happy to go back home. It's good that you go back home and everything, but I'm just feeling very sad and blah that अब घर जाना पड़ेगा and you have to get back to work and back to reality. Also, another sorry that this vlog I couldn't shoot a lot of content for the vlog because I have shot some reels. I spent most of my day yesterday shooting some reels because the suite is so spacious and it's so well made that I didn't want to miss out that chance. So do follow me on Truly Tani Instagram to see those reels. They're gonna come out from next week. I'll see you guys next week with another video of Dil Ki Baat Tani ke saath. Until then, lots and lots of love.